What is the name? Yakut. And he was from Ethiopia. It is also known as Abyssinia. And bina matlab ka, he keep on his increasing his post. He became superintendent of Astambul. Everyone was not happy, especially the nobles. And all governors, means I said that Delhi Sultanate is maintained by small provinces. And every province has what I said that? Governors. Ek Lahore ka governor has, I said that he has not accepted, then he was defeated. And ek aage Punjab. You understand? Where it is Punjab? Altonia. And he was not accepting. Then along with the Yakut and army, Rajia moved towards Punjab. And in between, he was somehow, Yakut was killed and she was captured. And she got married. And again, what happened? Yes, tell me. His brother, Aram Shah, yes or not? Bahram Shah, sorry. His brother, Bahram Shah came. And what has happened? Killed both. Killed both. Is it okay? So I said that she was the first and the last Muslim woman ruler of medieval India. She succeeded her brother in 1236 and ruled for 3.5 years. She disregarded a Parda system and adorned whole male attire and rode out in the public on elephant back. She promoted Jamaluddin Yakut, an Abyssinian Ethiopian, to the important office of the superintendent of Astambul. It provoked the nobles of Turkish. There were simultaneously revolts in the various parts of the kingdom. The governor of Lahore was the first to create trouble, but he was defeated. There were serious rebellion in Bhatinda, that is Punjab. Malik Ikhtiaruddin Altunia, only it is important Altunia, governor of Bhatinda. He refused to acknowledge the suzerainty of Rajia. Rajia, accompanied by a Yakut, moved against, I said, Altunia. On the way, the Turkish followers of Altunia murdered Yakut and imprisoned Rajia. She had to marry Altunia to get out of the situation, diplomatic situation. But she was killed along with her husband by Bahram Shah, a son of Iltutmish, on their way back to Delhi. Rajia was an excellent horse woman and who led army himself. Her only problem was that she was a lady. And please do not consider anyone to be what I said, that aaj ke date mein woman is very much important, coming out. Society needed them. So therefore the UPSC can ask anytime any question. Is it okay? So be ready for this. Balban. Balban ne kya kiya tha? Yes? Yaad hoga na, Ghiyasuddin Balban. And he was a member of Chalisa. And he came out and he killed all the member of Chalisa. And he got the power of all. Yes or not? Got the power of all. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे दीवाने विजारत, दीवाने अर्ज. क्या बात है. You started speaking some good lines in Arabs. Administration, if we'll say that administration was divided into Diwane, Vijarat, and then I said that Diwane Arj. कभी भी UPSC पूछ सकता है, discuss the administrative structure of development in India. Yes? Diwane Vijarat and Diwane Arj. And Diwane Vijarat, I said that Javarat. Javarat समझते हैं आप लोग? अरे जो Javarat समझते हैं ना? What is the meaning of Javarat? Can I say it is a department of finance? Yes. Can you remember? Diwane Vijarat is what? Department of. And Diwane Arj, department of मिलिट्री, जहाँ पे अर्ज करना पड़ता है, हमेशा सबको झुकना पड़ता है. यस ना? दीवाने इज इट ओके? दीवाने, आई सेड दैट विजारत एंड दीवाने अर्ज, टू डिवीजन इन द, आई सेड दैट, एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एंड ही कॉल्ड हिमसेल्फ कि मैं क्या हूं, नियाबते खुदाई, मतलब गॉड हैज सेंड मी, आई एम द, आई सेड डेप्यूटी ऑफ द गॉड, डेप्यूटी ऑफ द, in the religion I said that deputy of God, niyabate, and also another he said that I am the shadow of the God. Very good, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. जिल्ले इलाही सुना होगा ना ये वर्ड आप लोगों ने, जिल्ले इलाही आपका वो मतलब आप सबसे पावरफुल हैं, जिल्ले इलाही. That is I said that in the form of, I said that power, and related to I said that in the form of deterioration of what, religion, religious aspects, कि मैं ही खुदा हूं. Who is खुदा? मैं ही खुदा हूं, और मेरे आके आप क्या करो, सिजदा. सिजदा कैसे होता है? Bend down on the knee and then put your head in front of, touched with the floor in front of a particular ruler. That is known as sijda or paibos. इसकी वजह से which are the things came, or yes, everyone has to come in front of him, and then what you have to do, tell me, what do you have to do? सिजदा और पाइबोस. इज इट ओके? लेकिन एक चीज इसने बहुत अच्छे कहा था, उसने बोला जितने भी उलेमास थे, क्या थे, डू नॉट इंटरफेयर इन पॉलिटी. उलेमास मॉस्क से रिलेटेड, आई सेड दैट पंडित, एंड आई सेड दैट ही सेड कि do not interfere in polity, just look after your religion. That he has done. What he has done? Is it okay? And can you remember in your mind? Can you remember? Yes? Power. Can you remember? लेकिन एक चीज था, जब ये बना, by killing someone, all the nobles, he was highly afraid. He was, तो he stopped marriage. बलबन अभी हमने बताया, बल powerful बना. Is it okay? He was highly afraid. He never allowed marriage between nobles. नहीं तो they will start becoming powerful. He stopped the marriage between nobles. And even I said that any kind of, I said that any occasion which is also taking place, it has been also prohibited. He said that no, I said that any kind of meeting and all. So he said that yes, that he excluded, I said, everyone in order to इसमें चलो समझ में आ गया, नहीं दिया हुआ इसमें. So he was highly afraid of, and then he stopped the, I said that marriage alliance between the nobles, marriage alliance between the, लेकिन he was also highly afraid with the people surrounding, and he said that उसने spy system और justice को बहुत strong बनाने की कोशिश किया. Justice to be what? And spy system he tried to made very powerful. Can you remember? Spy system to be very powerful and justice system to be very, so that he can win the safe, I said that win the, what I said that, क्या कहेंगे हम, अरे peoples का क्या चाहिए, goodwills. He want to win the goodwill of society, people. Therefore this espionage system, and then I said that justice system he made, क्योंकि कोई भी word होगा तो आप जानिए it is also the part of administration. लेकिन in between his son died, and he become very weak on the basis of that. And then empire finished. Yes? And there is a coming of Khilji dynasty after that. Which one? तो I said, क्या बोला हमने? Balban. He was a member of Chalisa. He got himself, he got every member of Iltutmish family killed and gave death blow to the Turkish nobility Chalisa. He ordered and separation of military department from the finance department. That is a Diwani Vijarat. And then former was placed under the military for military affairs, that is Diwane Arj. Arij nahi hai, Arj. They declared Sultan as the representative of the god on earth, and he impressed upon the people that the king was the deputy of the god, Niyabate Khudai, and the shadow of the god. And Jillelai. And introduced Sijda or Paibos practice, in which the people were required to kneel and touch the ground with their head to greet the Sultan. He also instructed ulemas to confine themselves to the religious affairs, not to engage in the political activities. Is it okay? And he also started one festival, Nowruz, for the Muslims. In order to win the confidence of the public, he administered justice with the extreme impartiality. He employed efficient spy system. And he was a liberal patron of Persian literature and showed a special favor to the poet Amir Khusro. कौन थे? And Amir Khusro was the person who brought Hindustani classical music in India. Who? Yes. Amir Khusro was the person who brought what? जब हम लोग म्यूजिक में आए, by the time you should be knowing enough. Amir Khusro, who? What he brought? हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक. और इसमें तड़का था पर्शियन. His father was Persian and his mother was Indian. Tadka. I said Persian and which one? Indian. And can you say tabla, sitar, veena? Which are the name I said that? Tabla, sitar, veena. He invented tabla. He invented sitar. And he modified veena, and that is becoming Rudra Veena in the Dhrupad. One of the Hindustani classical music is, I said that what? Dhrupad. सबसे tough and hard. I said जिस दिन म्यूजिक करेंगे तो यहाँ से म्यूजिक आप सीख कर ही जाओगे. तो I said Dhrupad. हमने क्या बोला? तो ध्रुपद में रुद्र वीणा. Which one I said that? So Veena modified form. Which one? Veena modified form. Who introduced? Amir Khusro. He is known as Parrot of India. Yes? Tutiye Hind. Parrot of India. Who? Amir Khusro. And अच्छे लोग जिंदगी ज़्यादा जीते हैं और ये अच्छा बंदा था. I said क्या क्या बोला हमने? Yes, tell me. Amir Khusro is in a what? Mixed bride of what? Persian and Indian. Yes or not? तो दोनों का, and that led to the growth of which music? Hindustani classical music. Yes or not? तो दिल्ली सल्तनत में we have been able to get what? Hindustani classical music. And thereafter we have been able to see, I said, क्या हमने बोला? Yes, he invented tabla, sitar and modified the veena, Rudra Veena, and he is considered as a parrot of India, Tutiye Hind. Can you remember in your mind? Yes. And thereafter the Khilji, so I'm just like giving, and I said that Balban जानते हैं? तो बलबन मरा तो उसका भी लिए टॉम बना, बलबन टॉम. Yes or not? अच्छा, जब बल से बना होगा तो he has killed so many people. रेड कलर आया होगा, रेड पैलेस. Can you remember? Which are I said that two important things, Red Palace and Balban Tomb. So हम लोगों ने trabeated and arcuate style we have done. And this is, what is this? याद है? कुतुब मीनार. कुत्ता थोड़ा सा उदास हो गया था, कुतुल इस्लाम मॉस्क. And this is when I said that what? 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा. During which period? Kutubuddin Aibak. Yes or not? Or this is what I said that? Killer. और ये जो दिख रहा है ना बड़ा सा दरवाजा, ये अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने बनाया है अलाई दरवाजा, दिख रहा है? दिस गेट, छोड़ दे। अब ये क्या है? सुल्तान घड़ी। एंड हु हैज? इल्तुतमिश। इल्तुतमिश का सन डाई हो गया एंड ही हैज मेड, आई सेड दैट, सुल्तान घड़ी, एंड ही इज नोन एज फादर ऑफ टॉम। अंडरस्टूड इट? And then it is, I said that, Balban tomb. It is in a great architectural development jahan pe horse shoe type mein, I said that it has been made, and this is the Red Palace by Balban at Delhi. Is it okay? So I said that uske baad खिलजी start हो जाएगा. तो which are, I said that, first हमने आज जो start किया, first दिल्ली सल्तनत, और I have given an idea about who come first. Muhammad bin Qasim, 8th century AD, and he came for only to rule in India, but he cannot rule. Then after 10th century AD, who came? Mahmud Ghazni, and Mahmud Ghazni in 10th century AD, and he looted for several times, 17. Yes or not? And he made Punjab region to be, I said that, what? Gateway of India, Tabre Hill, Bhatinda. And thereafter I said that 12th century AD mein who came? Muhammad Ghori. And Muhammad Ghori ने 1191 and 1192 the second में जीत गया, बस first one में he was defeated. And उसके पहले हमने कुछ स्टोरी बताई थी. One, it is, I said that Chandrabardai, you remember, the poet, and what he has written, Prithviraj Rasho, what he has written. And thereafter we have been able to see there is a coming of दिल्ली सल्तनत. और हमने क्या बोला? the slave खाली हाथ आए, क्या किया उन्होंने? तूम तड़ाक. And thereafter I said that उन्होंने शादी किया एंड लोड करके माल ले गए. तो स्लेव, खिलजी, तुगलक, एंड देन सैयद एंड लोदी. एंड विच नंबर आई हैव सेड दैट टू रिमेंबर? 6, 90, 20, 13, 51, 26, 13, 51, 26. तो 1206 to 1290 स्लेव, and 1290 to 1320 खिलजी. Yes or not? And 1320 to 1413 तुगलक. And तुगलक के खिलजी के समय में empire become financially and then very important. The whole India came into the Alauddin Khilji. And then during the Tughlaq, 5 mistakes done by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and it has what? Destroyed. After that regional power, Bijanagar Empire, Bahmani Kingdom, all the regional empire by the Tughlaq period. Is it okay? Thereafter we have seen, I said that Sayyid and then Lodi. There is not too much. And then Sayyid, that is, I said 1413 to 1451. And then Lodi 1451 to 1526, and that is with the first battle of Panipat with the Babar, and Babar has utilized gunpowder for the first time. Thereafter coming for Salaf dynasty, हमने बोला था कुअर ने एक इल्म को रोका एंड राज को बाहर, सिंपल. एंड thereafter घी पी रहा है मजे से बल्ब बनाने के लिए, घियासुद्दीन बल्बन. सो कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, एंड उससे पहले हमने बोला द 2 important style architectural, it is what? Trabeated style and arcuate. And trabeated style, I said that lintel and beam. We can make sikhar, not minar. Understood it? But in the case of arcuate style, we are using, I said that what? Arch and then vase shaped blocks, which is helping into creating minars, yes or not, and domes. Thereafter we have been able to see Kutubuddin Aibak. और हमने क्या बोला कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक के लिए? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक गिवर ऑफ फ्लाक्स, यस. एंड चौगान खेलते समय कुतिया ने काटा, कुतिया बीमार, कुतुब मीनार. एंड देन कुतुब मीनार के साथ बोला क्या? कुत्ता भी उदास, कुतुल इस्लाम एंड कुतुब मीनार. इज इट ओके? एंड देयर आफ्टर आई सेड दैट 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा. कुतुब मीनार वाज मेड इन द नेम ऑफ ख्वाजा कुतुबुद्दीन बख्तियार काकी. देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन आल्सो व्हाट? There is an Iltutmish who completed till 4 floors, and thereafter it was during the Firoz Shah Tughlaq, 4th floor was destroyed due to lightning, and then 4th and 5th floor was added. Yes or not? This is the thing that we have seen, or we have been able to see. Next one हम लोगों ने बोला हंस रहे हैं ताजमहल पे बैठ के, हंस रहे हैं. Hasan Nizami has written what? Tajul Nasir. Hasan Nizami has written what? Thereafter we have seen Aram Shah came, and Aram Shah was not competent, and then his son-in-law come Iltutmish. याद है? Iltutmish, इल्म है तो चालीसा का जैसा होना चाहिए, तो इक्ता और डंका बजेगा और जीत मिलेगी. Yes or not? चालीसा तुर्काने चहलगानी